Hey guys, welcome back to Clueless Realtor, where we help realtors succeed. In today's video, we're going to show you how easy it is to create presentations for your real estate business using our favorite graphic design tool, Canva. So, make sure to stick around and watch to the end if you want to design powerful presentations that will blow your leads' minds away. If this is your first time visiting our YouTube channel, then consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you can be the first notified of any new videos that we upload. Now, let's have my wife take it over from here.
So here we are in canva.com and we are using the paid version of Canva, which is Canva Pro. So if you're interested in trying them out for 30 days, we will leave the link right below this video. Now let's go ahead and get started. So it's really simple to create a real estate listing presentation using Canva. All you need to do is log into your account, and where it says search, just type in real estate presentation, and then it will open this window here for you. And as you can see, they have quite a few of the ones that you could pick, from buying your first home, listing your property successfully, investing in property. So you could pick any of these that resonate with you. You could browse through several of them and then just choose one. And keep in mind that everything is customizable, meaning you could change the color, you could change the fonts, you could add your logo, you could add your own picture here instead of this young lady. So you can make this your very own. And the great thing about it is that once you have one created, you could save it for future projects, future homes, etc. So let's go with this one here, the first one that we saw. So let's go ahead and click on this one so you can have an idea. So let's say you have a new property and you're ready to showcase that property so people could maybe buy it. Or maybe this one is more listing your property successfully. So this is more of a pitch. You're trying to get that person to go ahead and hire you as a realtor. So as you can see, this is really great. You could put all the information. You could put your logo here instead of this. And you could put your little timeline of what you will be covering on this listing presentation. You could add a little bit information about who you are or what your company does. You could have your company picture here if you wanted as well. You could put a quote here, which is really great. Industry experience, so you could add your track records. And keep in mind, all of this is customizable. So you just click. And look at how simple this is. You could change it to your branding colors. That's Cornelius branding colors. So it's very simple to do. You see how simple that was? I could change the font if I want to use something more bold. Maybe I want to change the size of the font. You could do all of this. It's so simple to do so. And as you can see, it's right there. And you could change this to the middle. I think that looks better there. But as you can see, it's very easy to do. White list with us, and then you could have like the different reasons there. Our listing strategies, right? You could have one of these. You could duplicate this template if you have more strategies and you want to add more stuff. Then you could put your picture here as a realtor. Put a little bit about who you are and so on. And you will fill this out. And you could change the pictures here. But it's very, very easy to do so. You could put the team that you work here. Maybe you have a lender that you work with. Maybe you have a in-house lawyer that works with you guys, etc. Right? You could put all the information here, and it's really nice. It's really easy to do. You have your let's connect on social. So it's a lot that you could change. And keep in mind, when you're doing your presentation, you have the option of either downloading. Let's say you edited all of this, you're happy with your results, you could actually download the entire presentation by going here and then just downloading. It'll take a few minutes to do so since it's like 26 pages. So just give it a few minutes. You'll be able to download it and then double click and open it in your computer. So this is a presentation here. It just downloaded, which is downloaded pretty quickly. And here's your presentation. So you could have this in your screen and you could have basically a presentation in your computer while talking to your clients. So this is one way that you could do it. Another way that you could do it is that you could actually present it directly from Canva. I have done this before for live webinars that I host. And all you do is click on present and then standard, and it's gonna go ahead and have it here. And I think I like it better this way because instead of me having to scroll up, I could scroll up a little bit too quick. Right here, all I need to do is click on the next page and it opens quicker. So I kind of like it this way. But you could always download it. Some people download their presentation. I know Cornelius will download his and he will send that copy to the client or the potential client. So after he does his listing presentation, we always send them a copy of everything that we cover because a lot of times they want to review it again, right, by themselves with their spouse. Maybe one spouse showed up, but not the other one because they were working. So they might want to go home and review that information. So we always give them a copy of the presentation. It's really up to you. You don't have to. That's just a strategy that we have used to kind of tell them, hey, we don't have nothing to hide. This is what we could do. This is what we said we could do or what we could help you with. And here's a copy for your records. And it's, it's a great way to build a very valuable, authentic relationship with that prospective person, buyer. So this is how simple it is. I mean, and then once you're done, you just click on exit and it'll go back to the page. And keep in mind that once you do this presentation, you could save it in one of your folders. And you could just save it for future reference. And then later on, all you need to do is like tweak it or change the property that you're talking about. Just change it and that's it. So this is how simple it is to create listing presentations using Canva. Let us know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give us a like. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Let us know if you have used Canva before to create a listing presentation or if this is the first time you ever heard of this. And thank you guys again for watching. Have a terrific day.